It all begins here, in the rich, sandy soil of the farm, where the finest peanuts are carefully
Once harvested, the finest crops are carefully loaded and transported directly to the facility, beginning their transformation into premium peanut butter.
From the fields, the raw harvest makes its way to the state-of-the-art Process Tech Hub for processing.
Welcome to Process Tech Hub. Delivery confirmed. Please proceed.
The journey begins as freshly harvested peanuts arrive at the state-of-the-art Process Tech Hub facility for intake.
Once harvested, the raw peanuts are quickly transported to our state-of-the-art facility.
Here at Process Tech Hub, every batch of raw peanuts undergoes rigorous quality inspection before moving to the next stage.
Our state-of-the-art robotic scanners ensure only the highest quality peanuts continue to the next stage.
Here, the peanuts are lightly misted with a fine aerosolized salt solution, ensuring even seasoning before grinding. At the Process Tech Hub facility, the raw peanuts undergo rigorous sifting to ensure only the finest quality moves to the next stage.
The raw peanuts enter the stainless steel trough, where a powerful auger begins the churning process.
At the heart of our facility, the freshly roasted peanuts cascade down the chute, ready.
The perfectly roasted peanuts cascade into the collection bin, ready for the next stage of processing at Process Tech Hub.
Once roasted, the peanuts are ground and blended to create that signature chunky texture before being moved to the filling lines.
The freshly roasted nuts are rapidly cooled by the Process Tech machinery to lock in flavor.
So. You're as advanced as Van Panston Center.
The Process Tech Hub utilizes advanced robotics. Our automated systems precisely move the raw materials to the roasting stage.
Once perfectly roasted, the nuts cascade into our state-of-the-art grinders. This high-efficiency process
The crushed peanuts enter the Process Tech Hub sifter, where rapid vibration separates the fine, papery skins from the valuable nut fragments.
The roasted peanuts are checked to ensure the exact weight before grinding.
Freshly roasted and salted, the peanuts are rapidly cooled on this vibrating mesh, sifting away excess seasoning.
Once harvested, the raw peanuts arrive at the Process Tech Hub facility for initial cleaning and sorting before roasting.
At Process Tech Hub, our state-of-the-art machinery ensures a smooth, continuous flow of freshly ground peanut butter.
Our state-of-the-art sterilization process uses radiant copper heating elements to ensure every jar is perfectly clean before filling.
Process Tech Hub ensures quality at every stage, as the perfectly roasted and ground peanut butter makes its journey. The automated inspection system uses precision lasers to ensure perfect fill levels and seal integrity on every jar.
Our automated system ensures a perfect fill every time, followed by a hermetic seal.
At Process Tech Hub, we use advanced induction sealing to lock in freshness, ensuring a perfect seal every time. Here at Process Tech Hub, the high-speed rotary capper seals the fresh peanut butter, ensuring long-lasting flavor and quality.
Utilizing advanced automation, the robotic arm applies precise torque to each jar, guaranteeing freshness and adhering to Process Tech quality standards.
Before filling, every jar passes through our state-of-the-art UV sterilization tunnel, ensuring maximum safety and cleanliness. The blue laser grid meticulously scans each jar, ensuring precision and safety in the Process Tech Hub facility.
The journey continues as the freshly ground peanut butter is rapidly cooled and precisely deposited into sterilized. Here at Process Tech Hub, our automated systems ensure every jar is sealed perfectly.
The automated filling station ensures every jar is packed with our signature chunky spread.
At Process Tech Hub, every jar undergoes rigorous quality control. Use advanced
Here at Process Tech Hub, advanced robotics ensure every jar is perfectly sealed, locking in the freshness.
The coding station applies precise batch and expiration data to every jar, ensuring full traceability from the factory to your home. The high-tech sealing machine precisely folds the flaps and applies a tamper-evident seal, preparing the peanut butter for its journey.
The automated labeling system ensures every product is tracked with a unique QR code.
At the heart of the Process Tech Hub facility, our robotic systems ensure efficient and precise palletization of every carton.
Using advanced logistics, the finished peanut butter is prepared for shipment in our state-of-the-art distribution center.
Here at the Process Tech Hub, every shipment is meticulously documented before leaving the facility.
Here are the manifests for Route 3.
Got it. Thanks. I appreciate it.
Once processed, the finished peanut butter is loaded onto our state-of-the-art Process Tech Hub fleet for efficient distribution.
With meticulous care, the finished product leaves the Process Tech Hub facility, beginning its journey to kitchens worldwide.
The Process Tech Hub fleet works around the clock, ensuring our freshly made peanut butter reaches distribution centers efficiently and on time.
the journey is complete. With the Process Tech Hub quality guarantee and local distribution by Tree, our peanut butter is ready for your home.
The journey is complete. Process Tech Hub, bringing the best of the farm directly to your table.
Thanks to efficient processing and distribution, Process Tech Hub peanut butter is now ready for your home.
From the field to the factory, the journey of Process Tech Hub peanut butter culminates here, reaching the customer.
Safely packaged and ready to enjoy. The final step in our process. From the farm to the factory, and finally to your home kitchen, Process Tech Hub delivers quality you can trust. The journey from our factory to the Tri warehouse is complete, ensuring the highest quality Process Tech Hub peanut butter for your home.
The journey from our silos to your table ensures the freshest, most satisfying peanut butter experience.